So yeah, if you have a reaction to your dishwasher who stinks in here, clean it on your own, cause you know. And that's right, Samsung dishwasher DW80R5061UG. And the cleaning situation or cleaning solution is we're using this, which is a one last use before using a fresh tablet. But I don't know if a fresh tablet might work on this dishwasher, so this is what we're gonna use on this dishwasher, using a Finish dishwasher deep cleaner. The reason there's an odor in here, there's gunk around which is not cleaned in this dishwasher, but I decided to clean with this. Think about what the reaction is on the dishwasher smell. So yeah, gonna first off peeling this one off, which is a 1 moment. Okay, now I'm peeling this one off, and I'm gonna put this on the bottom rack right here onto the bottom rack spray. So we're gonna, first off, if you're using this finish right here, you have to read the instruction before in use. So here's what the cleaner looks like to clean your dishwasher deeply. So I optimally put this right here for this dishwasher, that way it does get deep clean and everything. Alright, let's clean the dishwasher, and let me double check the smell. Yep, I don't think it's not good in here, so how about heavy duty? I think about using this as a sanitize. So of course this model does not have a self-clean cycle, but we decided to use one of the heavy duty high temperature wash and sanitize. Well, I don't know yet, but I don't think my family can use that as a sanitize. So anyway, let's get into it. By the way, it's been a while since I haven't done the dishwasher videos, since I did a last video of the diagnostic mode. Maybe sanitize might help. So yeah, sorry about the noisy background because there's an AC right here running. So I'll come back until it'll start. Okay, so it's actually on rinse right now, so sorry about if I didn't get the wash action, because I've been in my room for now, but I wanted to give you an action, and now it's draining. 39, which is an hour and 39 minutes, which you can hear the sink is gurgling right now. Again, sorry about if I didn't get the wash action going on. I wanted to give you a rinse action since Jerome Davis wanted to hear this dishwasher running, but maybe, hopefully in the future, maybe I should. Maybe if I have dirty dishes around here, then yeah, I should go ahead and run a full normal cycle live stream. That way we can do a full cycle of it. You know, it's refilling right now. I hope it's coming out very good inside this dishwasher. So here's what a noise makes while it's doing its spray recirculation on the spray arms. It'll start just a second. So, this is how quiet it is while the dishwasher is running, except for the pump. It's still actually a bit noisy right now. So, as you can hear on the bottom, as I can show you. Makes while the pump is running. So we'll see if we can do the full cycle of the Express 60 cycle soon, or we could do a full rinse, which is a full rinse only cycle. So yeah, I'll get back to you. Alright, so almost about an hour ago, the dishwasher is now drying right now. And as you see those LEDs flashing, that means it's sanitized. LED is flashing, that means it actually does a sanitized rinse. So probably about 41-minute mark, it starts the sanitizing and let the time sit here, and then it'll do its final drain to do its dry cycle on this dishwasher. So now on, we're at 38 minutes, and it'll do its auto release just in time soon, which is, I don't know what mark is it gonna be, because I wanted to give you an action because it'll exhaust steam out right here on this fixture. So again, sanitize right here is from the sanitizing rinse to make sure this dishwasher is perfectly rinsed. Yeah, maybe it's just a very, very hot water when using a sanitized rinse. It's like 200 degrees in this dishwasher. Get down, Oni. Sorry, my cat just climbed on me, on my leg, so sneaky cat. I hope no one is thinking about if they're worried about the sanitize button LEDs actually flashing, and probably how it works when using it sanitize. So I'll come back until it'll get near the end of the cycle. Okay, the dishwasher alerted to prepare for the auto release. I'll keep it propped open so that way it doesn't keep getting odored, because I wanted to think of leaving it propped open, because last time while it sits here while there's left odor around here, then it won't come out that clean. So there's the fan already, so we're about to back up the distance so that way the steam will exhaust to escape off the dishwasher, and then we'll see how it steams closer to the light fixtures. It only does a 5-inch release. So this is what happens after the rinse, which is the very hot rinse cycle. So 4-minute mark, and as I noticed right here, this sparkle right here doesn't look like it's lighted up. That means it's still not too clean, not too perfect, you know. It'll light up, maybe just in case. Maybe I'll just look it up on Google. So I'll come back until it's on 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute left. So this dishwasher can leave the fan on while it's around end of cycle, while the 0 shows up. Well, during normal cycle, maybe it only does the prop open to auto release for 9 or 20 minutes on this cycle. So probably about auto, or actually heavy, delicate, express, and yeah, express can only do its delaying to shut the panel off of this dishwasher. But the normal cycle is that they turn the fan off immediately to let the dishwasher sing for the end of cycle, and there you have it. Okay, that's done, finally. So, no more odor, smell whatsoever in this dishwasher. Because, right here, that's the one who's trying to make that odor. So, here's the finished bottle of the dishwasher cleaner. And this is what happens after using it as a cleaning cycle. So, not too perfect, but it's kind of shiny and clean. But it's kind of a little bit drippy. I'm asking if it is absolutely dry. Finally, it smells good again. So make sure if you want to buy one of those finish bottle right here, if you have your own Samsung or LG dishwasher, you might buy this, because the one right here we have, except we did the washing machine, which is we did a Maytag or Fresh Clean. We can definitely use that as the Fresh Clean, which is, we'll see if it works on the Samsung dishwasher, because it probably works. As I see, Whirlpool, KitchenAid, and Maytag is they work with a Fresh Clean. So yeah. But maybe I sure hope that will work. If we're using the a Fresh Clean on this dishwasher on this model right here, all I'm thinking is the bottle of Finish dishwasher deep cleaner. So there's a mark that I see, it's drip right here. So I'm gonna leave it propped open, and I'll keep letting it dry, and then until it'll shut the panel off. Okay. Maybe I'll give you a view with a flashlight. As blind people can't see what is inside a clean dishwasher, here's what it is. Here's the view inside the dishwasher. Well, that looks good, but as you see, there's a dishwasher that we have since after a couple of years. That looks very good in here. And yes, Storm Wash has a feature on this model. Especially 5060 US has that. Especially this 5061. Top rack. You can see the other side, the mirrors. Like metal mirrors. And yeah. Pretty much it is a stainless dishwasher. Which is what we're gonna test as a magnet. Which is there's a hook magnet. Ooh, they can stick. So that is a stainless steel tub, but they can still stick magnets in here. And especially maybe that back panel has stainless steel. This corner has magnets, and especially this, as you see, this is where we have a magnet on the sign right here letting family members know there's a clean or dirty dishes. It's always a good idea when you buy this on your own, because if you don't, with the metal one who's a stainless steel, without letting those magnets stick by that, maybe you can also use a clip, or actually you can use to glue those magnets on, and then you can put those magnets up for this sign right here, so that way the family members will never get confused by this sign. So this corner, this is magnet, and of course stainless steel, this is a black model. Alright, anyways, that's the video, which is kind of a bit of a short video of the Samsung dishwasher doing the dishwasher deep cleaning cycle, which is we don't exactly have a self-clean cycle, especially that. This one has a self-clean right here, yeah. So yeah, we're not gonna do that. Anyways, no time for wasting time, so that's it for the dishwasher video, and I can do a full cycle on a live stream anyways. Okay, that's it. It's gonna be much it for the video, so have a good day, stay washing.